Hey guys, how to download Delta Force on PC or laptop. Ready to jump into the battlefield with Delta Force on your PC? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to download Delta Force safely on your computer fast, clean, and the right way. Stick with me and get the game running in minutes. The most important thing for you guys is to download Steam or open a web browser or search here for Steam. For your convenience, I have written a link in the description and sent it to you guys. Open the Steam website from here and download the Steam here, and after downloading, create an account for the Steam. If you have also downloaded the Steam and created an account, then search for the Delta Force in the Steam. After that, scroll down and at the bottom we see Add to Library, click on it. Delta Force game will be added to the library. Go to the library and click the top library and click here on Delta Force. After clicking, click on the install button in front of you. And here is the install button. It is light in my laptop, but because my laptop does not have space available, it has 116 GB space. It is not available in my PC. If it is available in your PC, click on the install button. If space is not available in your laptop, click the settings icon here and add your drive from here.